We are primarily a US-based company headquartered in Silicon Valley, and we have our India sales office over here located in Hyderabad, and primarily resolves concerns in and around application data archiving, where if they are having any concerns on issues on the performance of the application, that's where we come in our solution and help them out to ensure that there is performance agility maintained at an optimal level in the organization. Also help across the different requirements of the CIOs these days, which are mandated across in terms of how do they reduce their overall IT investments. So we help out the CIOs in achieving their objectives to move from kind of a CapEx and an OpEx model, operating expenses, wherein customers these days are looking for how effectively they can leverage their IT investments. So we come with our application retirement solution, whereby we help enterprises to reduce their overall investments in legacy environments, where we retire these legacy systems and ensure that they are now able to move to more optimal modern applications, and ensure that they are not paying for any of their legacy systems. Beside that, we also focus on providing solutions for the companies who are more prone towards attacks from different insider attacks or outsider attacks on their sensitive information. So we have a data masking solution which would primarily help them to ensure that the sanctity of the data is kept intact, and whereby we help them comply with the IT regulations, ensure to the HIPAA compliance for healthcare industry. And our solution is just not focused for one industry per se, but it can be leveraged and utilized by any industry that is in there. And it can be leveraged for any of the applications that the customer has, any databases that they have. So it's more of a more robust solution built on the latest technologies, and definitely, to put it up in a very short statement, it's a one single stop shop that can provide all enterprise data management requirements of the customer with our information lifecycle management and application testing solutions.